So students, today we are going to solve our chapter 7 exercise. And the first question is tick the correct answer. It means there are some options given here. We have to choose the correct one and tick in the box given below. The first one is the default color of a pen is green. Okay, green is the correct answer. Now, next, the default size of a sprite is 100. Okay, dash transparency value hide the sprite completely 100. Okay, 100 transparency value hides the sprite completely. Question number D. Which of these blocks is not a looks block? Option number 1, set pen size to 1. Other two are looks block. Okay. Which of these block is used to obtain transparency in a sprite? Set ghost effect to 0. Okay. This block. Option number 1. Okay. This block is used to obtain transparency in a sprite. Question number 2. Okay. Students, question number 2. 1 minute. Now, question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. So you have to write F or T. Okay. Think block uses the speech cloud. False. Pen up block is used to draw a trail. False. The pen extension can be used without a sprite. True. Change mosaic effect by dash block is used to give a water effect. False. The default direction of a sprite is 0. False. Now, question number 3. Match the following. So here blocks are given and its name are given on the right side, on the right column. So we have to match it. The first one is comes under event block. Okay, green flag. Green flag comes under event block. So A goes with triple I. The third bit. Question number B. Point in direction block. Okay, point in direction block goes with motion block. Question number C. Erase all pen extension. Okay, question number 3, bit number C. Erase all goes with bit number 1, pen extension. Question number D. Set size to dash goes with looks block. Okay. Now question number 4. Write the function of the following blocks. Write the function of the following blocks. The first block, think block. Okay, here answer is given here. Think block is used to suggest that a sprite is thinking. The specified text is shown in the form of a thinking cloud. Okay. Thinking cloud. Question number B. Question number 4, bit number B. Pen down. pen down. This block will make the sprite continuously pen a trail wherever it moves. Question number C. Erase all. Sorry. Question number C. Change fish eye effect. Change fish eye effect. Okay. So what is the function of change fish eye effect block? It is used to make the sprite look as if it is in water. So watery effect. Okay. Basically, fish eye block brings a watery effect or water effect to the sprite. Question number D. Point in direction block. So what is the function of point in direction block? It is found in motion block palette. It points the sprite in a specified direction. So basically by changing the 0 here, okay, the amount is always 0. So okay, the number is always 0. So whenever we change it, the direction of the sprite is also changed accordingly. Question number E. Move steps block. Move steps block. It is found in motion block. It moves the sprite in forward direction for the specified number of steps. Okay. And it is one of the most commonly used block. Okay, to move dash steps. Question number F. Erase all block. This block removes all marks made by the pen or stamping. It is used to clear the screen. Okay, so it deletes all the trails, all the marks, all the stampings that has been done previously. Now students, let's go to question number 5. Give the steps of running blocks by using the green flag. To use the green flag to execute the commands, start with the event block when flag clicked. To run the blocks using flag, follow the steps given below. First one is move the block when flag is clicked to a script area. Choose the instructions you want to give to the sprite. For example, on clicking on the sprite should move 10 steps. Get the two blocks together and join them. Okay. Option 4. Next step, fourth step is click flag and see the sprite is moving. So basically it is we have to connect green flag along with the move block. Okay, movement block, move dash step block. Discuss the type of blocks. Discuss the types of blocks. Think block is used to suggest that the sprite is thinking. The specified text is shown in the form of thinking cloud. The two ways to add a thinking block are discussed below. Think for seconds, think for block. So think for seconds. This is used to run the block for a predefined time along with the text. We can also change the number of seconds we want the block to run. So basically in this question we are discussing about two types of thinking blocks. Okay, or think block. So there are two types of thinking block. First one is think for seconds. Another one is only think block. The think for second block is used for the specified time. Okay, for we can put 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Whereas in case of think block, it will continue until we stop or we add a next command. Then the thought bubble says active until the one of the following happens. A speech with its text is activated, a thought block with it the text is activated, the stop flag is clicked. Until then, the only think block will remain in the position. Question number C. What is the difference between set size to and change size by blocks. Change size by block is used to change the size of the sprite to the specified number of pixels. This block can be used when one has to continuously increase or decrease the size of a sprite. So it will continuously increase the size. It will keep increasing the size every time one runs the program. Whereas set size to block is used to change the size of the sprite to a specified percentage. This default sprite size is, the default sprite size is always 100. Anything lesser than that will decrease the size, whereas anything greater than 100 will increase the size of the sprite on the stage. Okay, the set size, a change size by percentage. These are two types of blocks which are used to increase or decrease the size of a sprite. The change size by percentage block keep increasing or keep decreasing the size of the block whenever we run the program. Whereas in set size to dash block defines a particular size of a sprite. Okay. Name the different graphical effects of change effect by block. There are 7 different types of graphical effects: color, fish eye, wheel, pixel rate, mosaic, brightness, and ghost. Okay, these are the different graphical effects come under change effect by block. Why do we use Scratch extension? Scratch extensions are used to connect Scratch projects with external hardware. Okay, external hardware sources of information on the web or blocks, allowing for more advanced functionality. So what is why do we use Scratch extension? A Scratch extension are used to connect Scratch projects with external hardware sources of the information on the web or blocks, allowing for more advanced functionality. So basically, we use Scratch extension to connect the Scratch software along with hardwares or web or other blocks. Okay, so that the Scratch program will got advanced. Okay, or we can get more advanced functionality from the Scratch program.